Students, today we are going to discuss some examples of subgroup. Okay, some examples of to find subgroup of cyclic group. Okay, how to finding subgroup. In previous lecture we also seen some examples. Okay, before that, first note here. Note says that note. This is called subgroup of finite cyclic group. Okay, this note is subgroup of finite cyclic group. Okay, subgroup of finite cyclic group. Okay, note let G be a cyclic group. Let G be a cyclic group. Let G be a cyclic group with elements. Let G be a cyclic group with elements and cyclic group with elements and generated by A. G be a cyclic group and generated by A. Let B belongs to G. B is any element choosing from set group G. Okay, G is group cyclic group with respect to which is generated by A. Okay, G be cyclic group with generated by A and any element choosing from G. Okay, B belongs to G such that B is element of G, which implies that, and G is generated by A, which implies that B is element of the form of power of A. Okay, this is suppose that power of A raised to S means B equal to A raised to S, because B this element B is element of G and G is generated by A, so B is must be power of A. Okay, then B equal to A raised to S, then B generates a cyclic subgroup. B generates a cyclic subgroup H of G, which implies that any element statement says this note says that this B element is generate cyclic subgroup. Okay, means there is subgroup. G has subgroup, any subgroup which is generated by B with containing H of G with containing N by D, means N is order of group G and D is a divisor of N. Okay, containing N by D elements, where D is greatest common divisor, where D is greatest common divisor of, where D is GCD of N, GCD of greatest common divisor of greatest common D is greatest common divisor of N and this S. Okay, N and this S. Also generated by A raised to S. Generated by A raised to S equal to generated by A raised to T if and only if GCD of S and N equal to GCD of S and N equal to GCD of T and N. If N and T are GCD same, SN GCD of S N and GCD of T N are same, then generated by set generated by a raised to s equal to set generated by a raised to t. Okay, here note says that if b is generated of subgroup, okay, if this b is generated of cyclic subgroup H, this is cyclic subgroup of H, then H contains elements. How many elements? N by D, where D is GCD of S and N. Okay, so this is notes, using these notes to solving problems. Okay, so next example find generators of subgroup of order 12. Okay, if here not given binary operation, then we say that here binary operation is multiplication. Okay, so here finding subgroup of generator of subgroup of order 12. Okay, let G equal to, what is G? G has order 12 and which is element is of the form of power of A. Suppose that this is A raised to 1, A square, A cube, up to so on, A raised to 11 and A raised to 12 equal to identity. Okay, A raised to 12 equal to identity, and generators of subgroup. Okay, here generators of this group is what? Generators of A. Here note is says that in previous example or in previous lecture, here note is seen. Okay, here note is also note or remark. Okay, in previous lecture you also seen that one remark, if G is generated by A, if G is generated by A such that order of G equal to N, then A raised to R is generator of A raised to R is generator of G if and only if GCD of N and R equal to 1. Okay, where R is power of A and N is order of G. Here given that order of G is 12. Okay, order of G is 12, and to find generator of this G. Okay, generator of this G is when how to find it? Here using these notes. Here if 12 and any number GCD is 1, okay, 12 and any number GCD of E is equal to 1, then given number of power of A is says that generator of G. Okay, here GCD number, here 1 and 12 has GCD 1, 2 and 12 have GCD 2, okay, which is not equal to 1. Also 3 and 12 have GCD 3, 4 has also GCD 3, 4 has also GCD 4. Okay, in the form of 1 means number of relatively prime to 12. Okay, which number is relatively prime to 12, then with this number is generator of G. Okay, so here only A raised to 1 is generated because 1 and 12 has GCD 1. Again A raised to 5 and 12 have GCD 1, so A raised to 5 is here N and R equal to 1 means GCD of N and R equal to 1, then A raised to R is generator of G. So using this note, so here GCD of 5 and 12 is 1, so A raised to 5 is generator of G. Again next 6 6 and 12 have GCD 6, so 6 is not generator, a raised to 6 is not generator. Then 7, 7 and 12 have generator, GCD is 1, so a raised to 7 is again a raised to 7 is again a generator of G. Then a raised to 9, a raised to 9 is not generator because 9 and 12 have GCD 3. Okay, so then next a raised to 10, a raised to 10 also not generator. Then a raised to 11. Okay, a raised to 11, this is only 4, this is only 4 generators of G. Okay, so using these nodes, how to finding generator, how to find generator means which are relatively prime to n. Okay, to find number which is relatively prime to order of G, and for subgroup only choose divisors. Okay, if to find generators, then choose their relatively prime number, and if find divisors, subgroup, then you find their divisors. Okay, so this is difference of generator and to find subgroup. Okay, so here a raised to 1, a raised to 5, a raised to 7 are generators of 12. Okay, of generators of order, generators of G. Okay, so to find next, to find subgroup. Okay, to find subgroup, generators of subgroup. Here how to find subgroup? Here to find subgroup, use definition, here using above note. Okay, this note, using this note, here G with n by d elements, and also use here Lagrange's theorem. Okay, generated by here B generates a cyclic subgroup of H with containing n by d elements. Okay, D is where greatest common divisor of n and S. Okay, so here using Lagrange's theorem, what is Lagrange's theorem? Here G is finite and H is subgroup of G. Okay, then order of H divides order of G. So using this, here firstly to find subgroup, divisor of 12. Okay, divisor of 12 is, what is divisor of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisor of 12 because their GCD is 1. 6 is again divisor of 12. Then 7 not, 8 not, 9 not, 10 not, 11 not, and lastly 12. This is divisor of is divisors of 12. Okay, is divisors of 12. Therefore so cyclic subgroup generated by divisors is, okay, then subgroup generated by D is, subgroup generated by D is, what is, if D equal to 1, then generated by D is 1 equal to, what here, generated by 1. Okay, so here firstly here write a raised to 1. Okay, here this is divisor of 12, which implies that D equal to 1, then generated by a raised to 1. Okay, here generated by a raised to 1 equal to, what is element? A raised to 1, a raised to 2, up to so on, a raised to 11 and a raised to 12, this whole set. Okay, because generated by 1, how to find here generated by 1? Using generated by power of here, by definition. What definition here? What definition? Here using definition, if using cyclic generated by cyclic group. Okay, using this definition, generated by A, then with respect to multiplication here. Okay, a raised to n, where n belongs to set of integer z. Using this definition, to finding divisors of or subgroup of these sets. Here divisors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is divisor of 12. To finding subgroup generated by D is where if D equal to 1 then generated by A raised to 1. If A is this element B equal to A raised to S, where D is GCD of N and S. Okay, so N 1 and 12 have GCD is 1. So using this divisor, okay, using this divisor generated by A raised to 1 means power of A raised to 1. Power of A raised to 1 is A raised to 1. Power of A raised to 1 is 2. Then A square. Power of A raised to 1. Power of A raised to 1 is 3. Then A cube up to so on. This is whole set. Okay. Then this is whole set means generated by A raised to 1. Then given set is G itself. Okay. Means this is H equal to G. This is one subgroup. Okay. And which contain the element? Order of H equal to order of G divides this divisor D equal to 1. Okay, means their order is G has order 12, 1 equal to 12, and this which implies that this H contains 12 elements. Okay, H contains 12 elements. So then next divisor, if D equal to 10, 2, then order of H equal to order of G divides D means 2. Then their order is elements is 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Means if D equal to 2, then generated by A square, set generated by A square is contain a element. If power of A raised to 2 is 1, then A square. If power of 2, power of A square equal to 2. Here how to finding here using here how to finding A raised to 1, A square cube, A square raised to 4, A square raised to 5 and up to so on. Okay, and these all elements, okay, with respect to multiplication using this definition, generated by A equal to power of A raised to n. This element is contained generated by, here generated is A square. A square means to finding elements power of A square. Here power of A square is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is power of A square. So here power of A square, which implies that here generated by A square equal to, if power 1, power of A square is 1, then A square. If 2, then A raised to 4, A cube, then A raised to 6, if 4, then A raised to 8, if power of A raised to 2 is 5, then A raised to 10, if power of A raised to 2 is 6, then A raised to 12. This is equal to identity. Then for next element, power of A square is equal to 7, then A raised to 14. Okay, but 14 is what under congruent to modulo 12, which is under modulo 12 is 2. Okay, means A square, then again A square is repeated. So this elements is again repeated and repeated. So this process here stop. Okay, so which implies that which is our number of elements is 6, because order of H equal to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore this is generated by A square. Then next divisor, if D equal to 3, then generated by A cube equal to, if divisor of 12 is 3, then generated by A cube. Our order of H equal to is order of G divided by 3 equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4, which contains only 4 elements. So which elements is A cube, power of A cube is 1, if power of A cube is 2, then A raised to 6, if power of A cube is equal to 3, then A 9, if power of A cube is equal to 4, then A raised to 12, which is identity. If power of A cube is equal to 5, then 5 into 3 equal to 15, and 15 is congruent to 3 modulo 12. So a cube is again repeated here. Okay. Similarly, these elements are again repeated. So which contain only 4 elements. So this is one subgroup. Okay. If D equal to 4, then order of H equal to order of G divided by D equal to order of 12 divided by 4 equal to 3, means our given subgroup if a raised to 4 is generated, then subgroup of H is order 12, a raised to 4 which contains only 3 elements. So which elements are a raised to 4, a raised to 8 and a raised to 12 equal to identity. Okay. Again similarly, if D equal to 6, then order of H equal to 2, because 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. Therefore generated by a raised to 6 equal to set is a raised to 6 and a raised to 12 equal to identity, which is again repeated is this element. So then and lastly, if D equal to 12, then generated by a raised to 12. Here order of H equal to order of 12 divided by 12 equal to only one element, and which element is this element is a raised to 12 itself. This is identity element. Okay, which implies that a raised to 12, a raised to 6, a raised to 4 generated by a raised to 12, generated by a raised to 6, generated by a raised to 4, generated by a raised to 3, generated by a raised to 2, and generated by a raised to 1. Okay, these are all subgroup of order 12. Okay, here group of order 12 and here is this is generated of subgroup of order 12. Okay, so this is a very simple example and important example for university exam. So again find next example find it. This is in home. Find generator of subgroup. Find generator of subgroup of order 16. Here similarly, so firstly generators of 16 are which elements which is relatively prime to 12, sorry, which is relatively prime to 16. So relatively prime to 16 element is 1, 3, then 5 is again relatively prime to 16, then 6 not, 7 is relatively prime to 16, 8 not, 9 is relatively prime to 16, then 10 is not relatively prime to 16, 11 is relatively prime to 16, 13, 14 not 14, then 15. Okay, this is relatively prime to 16 and this is generated. And to find generator of subgroup of order 16 means to find their divisors is 1, 2, then 4, then 8. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, this is proper divisor of 16. So using this generator we find similar in this way generators of subgroup of 16. Okay, this is next so similar in this way, only order change here, and to find generators of subgroup of order any order. Okay, so then next example, or suppose that so next example using every next example. So example, every proper subgroup of G, every proper subgroup of G, every proper subgroup of G order 39. Okay, every proper subgroup of G order 39 is cyclic. Here show that. Okay, show that every proper subgroup of G of order 39 is cyclic. How to showing here proper subgroup of order? Here given group G has order 39. Okay, to finding every proper subgroup of order, proper subgroup. Okay, proper subgroup means which is not equal to identity and which is not equal to G itself. Okay, G and singleton identity, this is improper subgroup. Okay, to find proper subgroup means to find which is not equal to identity and which is not equal to G itself. Okay, this subgroup is singleton identity and G itself is improper subgroup. Okay, to find proper subgroup which implies that which is not equal to identity and G itself. So here to show you every proper subgroup order G is 29 using Lagrange's theorem to finding here let G be a group, let G be a group such that order of G equal to 39 and H is suppose that H is proper subgroup of G. Suppose that H is proper subgroup of G. That is proper subgroup means which is not equal to identity, and H is not equal to G itself. Okay. Singleton identity and G are improper subgroup, which is not proper subgroup. So H is proper, which implies that which is not equal to identity and which is not equal to G itself, which implies that order of H which is not equal to 1 and order of H which is not equal to 39. Okay, means H is not equal to singleton identity, then order of H is not equal to 1 and H is not equal to G, then order of H is not equal to 39 because G has order 39. So let suppose that H is a group of G, then by Lagrange's theorem says that order of H and G is finite. G is finite and H is a group of G. Here G is finite and H is a group of, to find here every proper subgroup of G is cyclic. Okay, so H is subgroup of G, then order of H divides order of G. Okay, or order of G is divided by order of H. Okay, so order of H divides order of G to finding which implies that order of H must be 1 or means divisor of 39. Okay, order of H divides order of G, which implies that their divisor of 39 are 1, then 3 or 13 or 39. Okay, 1 or 3 or 13 or 39, because this is divisor of 1, 3, 39, 39 are divisor of 39. Okay, so order of H is subgroup of G, then order of H must be divided order of G. So using this Lagrange's theorem, 1, 3, 39 are divisors of 39, which implies that order of H must be in that element. One of the number of is order of H. So, but here given that order of H is not equal to, but order of H which is not equal to 1 and order of H which is not equal to 39, because H is proper subgroup. Okay, because H is proper subgroup, which implies that order of H is must be 3 or order of H equal to must be 13. Okay, but here one result is remaining here, but this result is remaining to see here, but result is says that every subgroup of, but result here every subgroup or every group of prime order is cyclic. Okay, every group of prime order is cyclic. Here order of H equal to 3 and 3 is prime. Okay, and 13 is also prime, which implies that if every group of order is every group of prime order means 3 and 13 are prime, which implies that H is must be cyclic. Okay, therefore if order of H equal to 3 or 13, then H must be cyclic. Okay, using this result, order of H equal to 3 or order of equal to 13. So proof of this result, to see here, proof of this result. Okay, this is very simple proof. Okay, theorem. Okay, theorem, this is very important theorem for university exam. Every group of prime order is cyclic. Means if any group G, if their order is prime, then G is cyclic group. Okay, so proof of this theorem. Proof. Okay, let G be a group. Let G be a group such that order of G equal to P. Okay, where P is prime number and P is greater than 1 always, because P is prime. Okay, let choosing one element from G, let A belongs to P such A belongs to G such that order of A which is not equal to identity, means A is not equal to identity, A is not equal to, choosing one element from G such that A is not equal to identity. Okay, so which is not equal to identity, let every group of prime order is cyclic. Okay, let H is subgroup of G. Let H is subgroup of G. How to proving here? Let H is subgroup of G such that choosing one subgroup of G such that which is generated by A. H is generated by, so here wrong, here order of A is not, H is generated by A. Okay, one element is choosing from G and which is generated by H. Okay, H is generated by A, therefore order of H which is not equal to 1, because A is not equal to identity. Okay, because A is not equal to identity, order of identity always 1. Okay, also H equal to which is generated by A and elements of this sets, or which is elements of this sets are A raised to n, where n belongs to set of integer. Okay, H is generated by A, which implies that H is cyclic subgroup of G. Okay, why this is H is choosing here? Because here we use to Lagrange's theorem. Okay, so here G has group of order prime, here given that group of order is prime, so using this here choosing H is subgroup of G such that which is cyclic subgroup. Okay, and so therefore H is cyclic subgroup of G, then by Lagrange's theorem, here G is finite, P is must be finite, any number is finite order. Okay, G is finite and H is subgroup, so by Lagrange's theorem, order of H divides order of G. Okay, order of H divides order of G, but order of G is prime number P. Okay, which implies that divisors of P must be 1, or divisors of P is 1 or P itself, because P is prime. Okay, here as divisors of P are 1 and P itself. Okay, 1 and P itself. As but here order of H is, which is not equal to 1, because why order of H is not equal to 1? Because H is generated by A and A is not equal to identity, which implies that order of H is must be P. Okay, which is equal to order of G. Order of H and order of G are same, which implies that H is equal to G. And here, which implies that H is cyclic group. Here H is cyclic subgroup of G, which implies that G is also group. Okay, since H is cyclic, which implies that G must be cyclic. Okay, H equal to G, which implies that G must be cyclic. This is proof of given theorem. Okay, how to proving this theorem? How to proving here given that every group of prime order is cyclic. Okay, firstly we choose their order. Suppose that prime number, any prime number, and choose any element from G. Choose any elements from G such that which is generated by subgroup. Okay, H is subgroup of G such that H is generated by A. Okay, and A is not equal to identity, which implies that order of H which is not equal to 1. So H equal to generated by A, which implies that H is cyclic subgroup of G. Okay, H has generated, which implies that H is cyclic subgroup. But Lagrange's theorem says that if G is finite and H is subgroup of G, then order of H divides order of G. So using Lagrange's theorem, order of H must be divided order of G. But order of G is P, and divisors of P are only 1 and P. But here order of H is which is not equal to 1. Okay, which is not equal to 1, which implies that order of H must be P, and this is order which is equal to also order of G, which implies that H and G have same element, which implies that H and H is subgroup of G, which implies that H is must be equal to 1, which implies that H equal to G. But H is cyclic group, which implies that G must be cyclic. That is, every group of prime order is cyclic. So this is proof of given theorem. Okay.